Still got it. Retired from the trade, but it will never fade. You know what I'm saying? Oh, update on the limited slip. The other one is out. Bubble's been extracted. Here's an update on the limited slip install from quickperformance.com. I went ahead and put the new one in, and I didn't really record it because I was trying to make sure I was focused and doing everything right. Uh, so sorry about that, but but it turned out well. I went ahead and used the Yukon gear pin that they gave me. Obviously, this isn't the one they gave me. It's in the limited slip right now, but this is what it looks like basically. I'm assuming it's stronger or whatever, so I put it in, used it. So The sticker made it on my toolbox. Quick Performance did me a solid, and they sent me gear oil and new bearings with it, and I really appreciated that. So next time, I won't jump the gun and give people bad reviews and whatnot because that's not cool, you know. Kind of a lesson in my part. So I would love to give them another review because I updated the review last time because they're helping me out. But I really like to give them the review. If anything is wrong with this, it's on me. You know, I'm the one who installed it. But so far, so good. It's not humming or nothing down the road. Uh, that's really good. I got backlash correctly about 8, so I'm supposed to be 7 to 9 with the gear and pinion I got from Summit Racing. That's what it said. I don't see any leaks right now. I'll do a quick inspection. I might have a brake leak going on over there. Who knows? Who knows? I gotta figure out what's going on here. Uh, but I'm gonna go ahead and continue working on this thing. I wanna go ahead and do the front brakes again. Grease up the pins and whatnot with this. Not a paid sponsor, but this looks like some good stuff. It's all like purple. I can open it. Pretty neat. This throttle body and air take in cleaner. I need to clean my throttle body. I believe it's really dirty. It's acting pretty weird. Um, and put on some new windshield wipers. My window's cracked, so when it rains, I can't see like right here in the spot that you need to see. So when it wipes it, sorry, my nose running. When it wipes it, it just leaves literally rain like right here or smears it. That kind of sucks. I'm hoping new wipers will fix that, but it probably won't until I get a new windshield. But that's on the list of things I want to do to this. Now I'm getting to the point where I want to replace this bumper because it's all busted from an accident some years ago, and that was my fault. I want to change the fender because that's part of the accident, and it's all. I don't think you can save this. I want to put a new bumper on the rear. That'll be nice. It's all dented up. Less body people can fix that. You know, it's an option. I want to get the dent out of the other side of the door, a little small dent spot, you know, paint. But really, I want to get this bumper changed out, and I'm deciding if I want the original or like a cool looking one, you know, Fast and Furious type. But the problem with that is it sits so high. If I put that on, it might look stupid, but I am gonna lower it later. You know, performance wise for performance reasons, and I'm gonna get real serious and start putting like good performance parts on here with the control arms, sway bars, everything. Um, because we are gonna do something to this engine. I want to change the crankshaft, put some beehive springs in there. I already did the rockers. They're 1.52s, and I'm satisfied with that. They got new rods or whatever, um, and then you know upgrade some things in there. I want to get the heads. I want to port and polish or port those and polish or whatever. More horsepower, and then one of the main goal of this whole thing is to put a turbo on this. So get that turbo kit on eBay, and then I guess piece something together. Either I use this throttle body and upgrade the injectors with OS injectors. You get like uh, 48, 60 something pounds or something. I don't know. I'll have to look that up. I'll put a screen thing. And I don't know. We'll have to figure out that whole turbo situation, how I'm going to do that. But that's like the main goal. And getting it look really nice, pristine. Lower it, put new rims on it, of course. But I want to build it as a sleeper for now. And yeah, that's gonna take a lot of work, right? This thing is on the light to sort of heavy side, so like 3,400 pounds. So it's a good candidate to be a sleeper, in my opinion. Torque on it is pretty damn good. Stock is 250 uh, foot pounds of torque. Engine's 190 horsepower stock, but I've done put MagnaFlow, high flow catalytic converter, performance muffler on here. Got a 2.5-inch tailpipe. That adds horsepower alone. Port and polish throttle body, did that. K&N air intake, that's horsepower. The 1.52 rockers, whatever, ratio rockers, whatever, uh, that adds horsepower. So everything I'm doing, it all adds up in the long run. Especially adding 410 gears in the rear, you know, with this new and a limited slip from quickperformance.com. So I think we are moving. Actually, I don't think I know we are. I need to get traction bars. That's on the list too. Shocks, either Bell Tech or something. I don't know. Man, a lot to do. Not done. New radio. Got a Kenwood in there, but I need something with GPS and all that. We're not allowed to hold our phones no more. Get pulled over for that. Bad enough for being watched, flock cameras and whatnot. But I got the interior looking pretty kind of sweet. Some little floor lights in the front. I gotta redo the rear. So I made lots of progress on this. The list goes on and on and on. I mean, I can show you this right here. Started 2022, writing everything down. Parts to play so far, and I kind of like just lost track. But it's just like a list of things I've replaced so far. Parts to be replaced. Some of they're the same, some aren't. But I marked them off when I did it. I mean, here's my little blueprint. Stage 1 performance mods. I got that done. Got a lot of that done. Um, you know, cool things like that. Stage 2, 4L60 transmission upgrades. So list of things I put in it. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that. Fucking freaking rebuilt the transmission and put some Sonics parts in it, whatnot. Yeah, man. I've had a plan since 2022, even before that, and we're still going. It's 2026. 4 years later, yes, we have made progress, but it was a lot of maintenance things just to keep it running, keep it going. Um, and one of the reasons why I'm doing this is I fell in love with this thing because it was given to us for free at some point, and it's got us through hard times, and whatnot. Cue the harp strings or violin, little tiny violin, and the Typhoon. Fell in love with that thing. I'll never be able to afford that. So this will be the closest thing, even though it's only a 2-wheel drive, but at least it's rear wheel. So fun. So that's why I'm doing this, I guess. That's what I've done so far, and that's what I plan on doing. Hopefully, God likes to spit in our face when we make plans. So we just gotta take it day by day, part by part. Until then, I'll see you on the next one on what I do to this next. All right, peace.